Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to edit your WhatsApp messages after you've sent them, especially when you've made mistake or a typographical error and you just want to actually edit that message. Now I know most times you find it very difficult when you send a message. You just feel like, oh, I've made a mistake, how will I go about it? So in this video I'm going to give you the step-by-step process on how to edit your WhatsApp messages after you've sent them to someone, especially when you made mistake while sending that message. My name is Mary Anejo. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please watch this video to the end so you learn the process on how to do this thing. Let's get right into this video. Now when you log into your WhatsApp, and let's assume this is the person you want to chat with, and you want to send something like, hello, how are you doing? Let's say you put a question mark and something like this, or you say, hope you are fine, and you made a mistake. Instead of fine, you did something like this and you send. So let's say you want to edit this is a mistake, and you say, oh, I've made a mistake, I would like to edit this. All you have to do is highlight this. When you highlight it, you come here, you click on these three dots. You highlight, you click on this three dots here. This is the three dots. When you do that, you click on it. That's it here, and you can see this is edit. This is the edit button here. You now click on this edit button and you correct this to fine, and you put your question mark and you click on this sign, this good sign here, and see it. When you do that, you just come here and you can see this message has already been edited. It's showing edit, and whatever corrections we have made has actually taken effect. So basically that's how to edit a WhatsApp message. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.